Hi there and welcome to the channel. In this video I am going to cheat a bit. I'm going to direct you to a video that shows you how to make custom sounds for your pocket radio. Now I'm going to repeat the process so I can actually direct people. So this is a bit of a cheat video. I'm not trying to get likes or hits. This is just to help pocket radio owners to realize that they can make custom sounds. So if you click on the link below this video, it will take you to my video that shows you how to make the custom sounds, because a lot of the times you'll hear sounds from my radio when I'm doing the tutorial videos, and they're actually ones that I've made for my radio. Well, I do hope you find that video useful, and if you did, please give that one and this one and that one and this one a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Happy flying. Bye for now.